friends, welcome to iPharma. In this vlog, we are going to see career in pharmacy and other related aspects and the information of the opportunities in pharma. So be with me till the end. Career in pharmacy. So before getting into it, let's first discuss of little of what the pharmacy means, because many people just don't know what the pharma is. Because many think that it's just a person who sells a medicine, who is a shopkeeper who dispenses a medicine which are written in a prescription by a doctor. But no man, it's not just that much, because it's a field of medication expert who are having a detailed knowledge of medicine, who serve their knowledge for discovery, for production, control, disposal, safe and effective use of drugs. It's a branch of health science. It's such a huge sector. In many a mind of people, it may come that why should they choose pharmacy as their field? I must tell them that pharmacy is highly trusted profession and vital part of healthcare system. Pharmacy professional can have a direct impact on people's lives and health. Career in pharmacy offers you diverse opportunities and excellent earning potential. If you are considering pharmacy as a career, congratulations. You reached this point by realizing that you want a people-oriented profession that provides you a reward in knowing that you are helping someone who is in need. The ultimate goal of pharmacy profession is to improve individual quality of life. The study of pharmacy prepares you for such a lifelong commitment. It's a diverse opportunity field and it's an excellent potential earning field also. There are wide career options in pharmacy, from production marketing to formulation development, quality assurance, quality control, drug regulatory affairs, pharmaceutical packing technology, research and development, hospital pharmacy, community pharmacy, academics, marketing, government jobs in regulatory bodies, chemist job, opportunities in abroad for higher education and other opportunities. Those students who want to pursue pharma as a career after a 12th, having a PCB, wish to pursue medical program, then pharmacy courses are viable option apart from MBBS courses and BDS courses. Pharmacy courses not only opens up a good job opportunity, but you can also get a decent salary after pursuing pharmaceutic-centric programs from various colleges across the country. Types of pharmacy courses, duration of the courses after 12th, let's see one by one. Bachelor of Pharmacy, Diploma of Pharmacy and Doctor of Pharmacy are the three courses which you can pursue after your 12th. Bachelor, Diploma and Doctor. So B.Pharm, Diploma in D.Pharm and the Doctor of Pharmacy, Pharma D. The duration of courses of Bachelor of Pharmacy is 4 year, Diploma of Pharmacy is 2 year and Doctor of Pharmacy is 6 year. Doctor of Pharmacy is a new field. It wasn't abroad, but in recent years it has came into India. It has started in India. It's a very good course where you get a degree of a doctor because you know the knowledge of pharmacy and you be a doctor of pharmacy. It's a 6-year course. Eligibility criteria, if we see for pharmacy courses in India, the courses are B.Pharm, Diploma and Pharma D. The academic requirements are nearly the same that are 12th student from science stream. Subject requirements are physics, chemistry and biology and mathematics. Let's see the career path after graduation in pharmacy. Because there are wide career options, wide paths, wide option with various fields you are having in front of you after your graduation, after your B.Pharm, where you can go like research and development you are having. If you are really enjoying the course subjects like medicinal chemistry, pharmaceutics, pharmacology during your 3rd year, 4th year of B.Pharm, then you could consider career in research and development. You can get an R&D role with pharmaceutical, biotech, agro, FMCG sectors. Ideally, you will need to have M.Pharm, MS, PhD degree. GPAT qualified candidates do get preference. If you wish to pursue M.Pharm from some of the top institutes like NIPER, then you have to start your preparation right from your third year itself. Analytical research and development. Some people might consider QC, QA roles are but boring. They are skilled, but I must say they are skilled, intelligent. If you make a satisfying and rewarding career, you can. Assay development, assay validation roles really existing. M.Pharm with pharmaceutical chemistry or pharmaceutical biotechnology specialization will help you in this role, also known as analytical R&D. Manufacturing, quality control, quality assurance, regulatory affairs. If you are not too keen about a research development, see, getting in manufacturing, quality control, quality assurance and regulatory affairs is little different from research development, because if you are not keen of the main streams like in research development, but you want to stay in a core domain, you can go for role with QC QA with PG diplomas or masters in pharmaceutical regulatory affairs or pharmacovigilance with few years of experience in industry can really help you in the terms of career progression and financial growth. Another less explored job function is medical writing. Sales and marketing. The sales and marketing job function absorbs maximum numbers of pharmacy students, because in sales and marketing you are having a numbers of job opportunities, because many pharma companies are there in India who are giving jobs. The job is little challenging, I say, but it's very rewarding. Important is that just you have to show your good performance, you will get good incentives. Few people many things that in sales and marketing that representative job they are getting, medical representative, but no man, medical representative jobs are that where you advise the doctor about the pharmacological effects of drug, their optimum doses, indication of specific disease, side effects, contraindication, knowledge, communication skill are highly needed for this job. Coming towards the academics, if you are M.Pharma graduate, ideal you can be selected for lectureship job. Pharma D candidates are also eligible for lectureship job. Clearing exams like GPAT, NEET, SLET will be a great advantage. Almost every state in India has good decent numbers of pharmacy colleges. B.Pharm graduates can also get in lectureship jobs in diploma pharma colleges. You can also undertake part-time PhDs while teaching undergraduates and postgraduate students. Hospital, clinical and community pharmacy. Community pharmacy is one of the core career opportunity will be most suited to Pharma D graduate. The role involves counseling patient, advising them of dosing, intake for taking medicines. However, in India, the concept is very much unknown due to several reasons. Be apart, the government and PCI and other authorities are taking steps. However, it will take a time. The vacancies for pharmacists in hospital, railway, armed force are there. They are good, but they are little of few to accommodate pharmacy graduates that pass out annually. Other careers path for graduates and those who want to stay in a core community pharmacy domain, like higher studies in abroad, they may go for like MScs, MS, PhDs. They may register or licensed pharmacy, they may be in abroad. Some countries, they allow you to be a registered or licensed pharmacist of their country. Entrepreneurship, this is a career path I would love to see pharmacy graduate to pursue. If you find my video interesting, knowledgeable, then do like it, share it, and if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.